going on, guys? So today I'm gonna go for a ride to Cedar Point, Ohio, and it's on the edge of Lake Erie. I've never been there, so I kind of want to go check it out for myself while I'm out here. It's about a 2-hour ride. Shouldn't take that long. Hopefully traffic's not too crazy. It's not windy. It's a beautiful day, and yeah, take you guys along for the venture. This is what it's saying on the map. It's gonna be about a 2-hour drive, so looks like the route keeps changing on me. So take on a lot of highway miles with the good old KLR today, and hopefully everything goes smoothly and well. I'll pick the camera up once I'm ready to go, and we'll see ya. All right, I'm gonna get the camera mounted and we'll get going here shortly. All I really wanted to do was just go for a ride today because it's beautiful, and I decided to go for a nice long ride out to Lake Erie because I've never been there before, and I've only got a couple months left out here in Ohio, so might as well make it count while I'm out here. Well, that's annoying as hell. Came into the gas station to fill up and I'm full. I only put freaking 70 cents in. That's so annoying. I'm actually excited to get out today. I haven't been out on this old girl for a while. That is so annoying. I drove 5 minutes out of the way just to come here to get gas, and I didn't need any. So that's great. Alright, let's see how this goes. Beautiful day out. It's not even that windy out. It's not too bad. Alright, looks like we'll be on this for about 44 miles, so probably gonna hit about 21,000 miles on this thing. No, this is very chill. This is very relaxing. Usually every time I come on the highway, I'm getting blown everywhere, hanging on for dear life. This is very smooth. Oh, not this one. Not that one. Oh, it's bright out. Look at that. Whole lot of nothing. Isn't that cool? Nothing. Hopefully where we're going is pretty cool. Alright, well, the camera angle changed quite a bit. Hopefully we're good. I am ripping on this road. That's it, wide open with the pannier racks. That's 100. That's pretty respectable. I got the big boxes on the back, so it's like hitting a brick wall. Oh, I can't wait to get to this place. Getting a little fatigued, not even gonna lie. Nice little city. God damn, that's loud. I don't like this. Oh my god, listen to that frickin' thing. Everybody and their mom's outside today. This is ridiculous. Oh, dude, I want to smack one of these. There's a truck behind me. I didn't want to smack it. Look at this freaking thing. Jeez. Oh, a train yard. That's pretty sweet. Alright, so we're almost to Lake Erie. Going through this really compact city. A lot of red lights, a lot of traffic lights. But we're about 13 minutes out. The spot I picked on the map to like drive out here is just some little like random spot that seemed cool, kind of by the water. So, oh yeah, we are definitely right by the Great Lakes because it is freezing. Yep, here's a bunch of marinas. Oh boy, I see where we're going. This is gonna be sick. Where is that? Cedar Point, baby! How you doing? Just for like park access, sort of deal coming through here.
Where do you want to go?
Well, I just came out here to explore and just kind of check it out.
It's closed, you know.
Oh, it's closed? Kind of saw it and I was like, hey, I gotta come check this out, but...
You can't turn around and go back down that way. I'll let you through.
Yeah, I'll just...
Make a hard left and you go back out the road there. Those people. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. Okay, well, can't come out here. Guess Cedar Point's closed. Well, crap. I don't know where to go now. Just kind of blows. All right, well, I'm gonna head to Marble Head Lighthouse. All right, let's go, girl. Oh, wouldn't mind me some lobster. That's for damn sure. Marina and campgrounds. That is like the #1 thing out here. If you don't live at a marina or a campground, you're not cool. Where the hell am I? Really nice up here though. I'm right next to a church. Pretty cool. Oh my god. Look at that. It's a lighthouse. Alright, well. Oh, I'm going to get off this thing. I guess. Look at that lighthouse. And sit and enjoy Lake Erie. We made it. This is where we are. Parked the bike right over there. That's Lake Erie. I don't know, this place is really nice. I think you can see it, but Cedar Point's right there. That's where I was not too long ago trying to get in there, but apparently not. I don't know if you can see in the video, but that's Canada over there, which is pretty freaking cool. I'm gonna get going. And of course, here comes all these bikers. Go get some gas and start the trek home, I guess. Yeah, that's Canada, right over there, which is pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna hit the road. Beautiful day. I am pretty tired. I wanted to get an energy drink, but I will be okay. It's gonna be a long ride back. Alright, here we go. Back on the highway. Yeah, got a lot warmer since now I'm away from Lake Erie. I might do it too. Yep, why not? Here we go, now we're moving. And now we slow right back down. Alrighty. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe and give me some feedback in the comments section, maybe a video ideas of what you want to see, what I've done to this thing. But I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.